HBAR is testing a crucial support level. If that sounds interesting to you, make sure to continue watching this video. We are getting very close to 900 Telegram members. For those of you that want to keep an update with my charts as well as my trades, make sure to check out the link in the bio. It is absolutely free. Hey guys, Pingu Charts here. Welcome back to another HBAR analysis video. As always, if you do enjoy my content, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. If you guys are interested in $35,000 trading bonus, make sure to check out the link in the bio. Now, ladies and gentlemen, I know it's been a little bit since we made an HBAR video, but to be honest, there really wasn't much in terms of price analysis that was going on for a secondary video. You can see that we had a very tight consolidation zone going here at 0.061. The bulls had to try to break above that zone, use it as support before we saw any sort of continuation, but you can see that we have now started to use our exponential moving averages as resistance. The problem with the chart, of course, right now is the fact that you can see we already tested 0.057 twice. Now this would become the third test opportunity. Usually on the third test, we tend to see a breakdown formation, as well as the fact that I mentioned to you guys that what I'm going to be paying attention to if we do end up losing 0.057 is a buying opportunity somewhere around this range. The reason why is, of course, when we saw that breakout opportunity, we got a few tests overall, but we never really saw volume come into the market. Looking at the previous run, you can see that we had a lot more volume coming in from the initial retest of the weekly at 0.035, where we were seeing some explosive gains on the exponential moving averages as support as we continue to push higher. You guys know I already warned you about the current price action that we saw recently, where these candlesticks seemed a lot more manipulated on the 4-hour time frame, where we had a slow ladder case towards the upside, and then of course we had the elevator down, where we did see that beautiful wick retesting 0.05. Now it's not all bad news for HBAR, because of course looking at the daily time frame, we are still somewhat in terms of the major support level here at 0.059. The bulls are still holding. The only downside, though, once again, is why I'm leaning towards a more bearish case here for HBAR, is the fact that we couldn't break above 0.068. You can see even from an exhaustion point from the daily time frame of the RSI being overbought, we saw two wick opportunities. The bulls had a third opportunity while retesting that level as support. We failed to hold that level as support. We broke the exponential moving averages, and now we continue to retest a major support level. Even the current price action that we saw recently, there was no volume for this market structure to continue. Ideally, volume is an indicator that we want to pay attention to, mostly when it comes to breakout opportunities, but you can see that we have now seen that W formation completion, but still we have not seen that volume come in for a continuation. What I'm expecting, of course, is one last flush opportunity, possibly breaking 0.057. Something like this would be ideal, where these traders that were entering the 0.068 range hoping for that breakout structure are now trapped and underwater. Causing this movement would, of course, be a very nice squeeze towards the downside, grabbing those trades and that liquidity, and then the continuation what we want to see. Ideally, anything above 0.068 and that structure break, then we can start focusing on the larger picture, which of course would cause a massive move overall, because you can see from previous price analysis, with the last time we ended up breaking above 0.068, we saw a strong continuation. This zone was acting as a consolidation zone, but once we entered above that level, that's when we started seeing those massive wick opportunities. That's exactly what I want to see, of course, on the daily time frame. But you guys know my rule from Telegram is the fact that if we start breaking below our exponential moving averages while retesting them as resistance and on a major support level, that usually means we start looking for shorting opportunities on HBAR. Once again, if we continue to hold this level here, this yellow line at 0.059, then we are simply just in a consolidation zone. We have to worry when this yellow line is broken and we end up breaking below 0.057 for the confirmation of the short. You can see that right here we had the same sort of price analysis, retesting 0.059 as resistance, breaking 0.057, and look at that continuation we saw overall. But that's pretty much all I have for you guys today. As always, if you do enjoy my content, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. If you guys are interested in $35,000 trading bonus, make sure to check out the link in the bio, and hope you guys have